Here's a couple swing trade frames of the day for our strategy for swing trading one day at a time. Our best symbol right now is Rigetti. This is a daily chart. See the RL10 is the price, 30-day low, also the 10-day low and the 5-day low. A 1-2 formation, inside day, close higher than the open, higher lows, tight range compression. We get about a 4.5 to 1 to the test of the 10-day high. But if it breaks below the low of the day, we're short. Breaks below the 30-day low, we're really short. That's the 150-day low. This is ideally poised as a compound critical state in both directions, which is common for our swing frame trades of the day. Let's take a look at a couple more. You'll see similar patterns. We're going to take a look at Tesla, Oracle, and Intel. So here's Tesla. Same range compression, more like a fence sitter, so it's ready to go in either direction, but you got a favorable reward to risk in both directions. Oracle was a minus 2.5% today, ready to absolutely collapse even further. There's your price in Oracle. So if that drops, you're instantly short, but you have an opportunity for about 4 to 1 to the 10-day high. And then Intel was up 4.5% today, and it's still near the 10-day and 30-day low. So there's your 1-2. Large range means it's in play. You have 4.5 to 1 to attest to the 10-day high, but a more reasonable price would be the 5-day high and then the SMA 30. But that's definitely worth playing on an intraday basis, and it could convert to be a swing trade. If this holds here, it's inverse. If you get another day and it'll start like this kind of a trade, that'll be compelling. Supported by the semiconductor sector itself, which was up a couple percent today, is finding support here. This is SOXL, the leverage. So we kind of like that. That one is 3-1 to the 10-day high. So there's some sector support as well. This is Canada's Cap. Keep your powder dry. That's a swing frame trade of the day for swing trading one day at a time.